All right, for those who have a 2019 to 2024 Toyota Rav4, you have a cabin air filter. I was not going to make a video out of it, but I got the carbon or the charcoal one, not just the regular one. For those who want to know, the code is, if you want to get it from Toyota, there you go, 57139-0R030. I think the regular one is like 87139 51080 or something similar to that. So this is for the charcoal, carbon, whatever one. And since I'm here, I'm going to quickly show you how to replace your filter. It's very easy. You open your drawer. You have a little pin here on the side. All you have to do is like that, and you have like two pins. You push this one out, and you do the same thing on the other side. Et voila! And you could actually remove the entirely if you want. And you'll see here. You see up the little door. I'll just do it like that. There you go. So you remove that little door. You have the filter in there. Let's see if I could do this with one hand. It's harder to do it with one hand, but it's still doable. So anyway, wow. Okay, so this filter has 34,300 kilometers, which is like 22,100 miles, 150 miles. And you could, and now I don't know if this is white when it comes out. Let me check. Yeah, it's very dirty. So this is actually the OEM filter I had. This is the new one. See, hop. So I'll squeeze this out. Go on the side here, and all I have to do is grab the new one, do the same, and voila, it's done. And you do the reverse. So anyway, this video is probably already too long, but at least you know how to remove it. And for those who wanted to know, this is in Canada, and I don't have no special price with Toyota, so it's $42.95 Canadian for that filter. Yeah, so take care, and bye.